This is dangerous. Yeah, give Daddy a spin.
One more big one.
Ready?
Set, go. Oh, boy. Let's see that. Good job, bud. There. Attaboy. Good job on this wall. Out. So, if we routed all that electrical, that's all coming out. We're going to put a new electric box or an outlet down in that area. New light switch right around that area. So this is what it looks like before. So there it is. There's the new space. We opened it up a little bit. Nice. Looks good. Alright, so now we have the beam supporting the load-bearing wall. And we're going to have these wood floors all the way throughout. So right now it's about 12:30, so they worked hard. I appreciate it.